shifting in awareness, the flow of the ocean. I don't know if you can see this, but these are fish. Here. Consciousness, evolution presents itself in many forms, many ways of existence, many ways of knowing, many ways of being. This is our reflected reality, our mirror. We create this outer form as a reflection of our inner being, our inner awareness, consciousness. Reflect itself in its communication with nature. As everything is us. Be within every moment of our presence. As we become the balance of ourselves, the balance within everything, balance within our ego, balance within our light and dark, balance within the communication with our physical bodies, within our mind, our higher selves. As we tune more into the awareness of everything, starting with our thoughts, and where our thoughts go, what comes up, what do we need to process. And the more we choose to process and move into that shadow work, that clearing, that bringing up of, it's a lot easier then to know what then is coming from other sources, whether it be thoughts from others, communication with anything that relates to the external reality, communications from our higher selves, communications from anything in relation to the planets, to space, to dimensional access, dimensional awareness, multidimensional being, quantum realities and being. And we expand our perceptions. The reality that we see before us begins to change as our perceptions change of ourselves. go over here. Okay. So in it then there's a car park over here. Yeah, the sky is it's overcast, so I kind of see it as a very reflective day. Right, started out very clear sky, clear blue skies. So now we have a lot of cloud cover, right? See, it brings the energy of like a reflection, like introspection, clearing, right? See the rain as cleansing. See the ocean as just how it overlaps like this. Can you see that? How it cycles like this, in and out, right? Everything in its nature creates a cycle, a cause and effect, a breath, a wave, right? And it changes. It interacts, it has a relationship with us the more we choose to connect. The more we become aware of the intelligence that it exists as a part of us. The wind, even, right? And this increases the more we build a relationship with ourselves. So there are many different puzzles to these awareness. These levels are layers of awareness. Some may reach it through different means. As Morpheus said in Matrix, many people stumble upon the Matrix in many different ways or different means, right? No one's path is ever the same, but we, for the most part, reach the same destination. So, in that, I would say to embrace the journey of balance, however it may be for you, and allow it to be. Allow the flow. So you see the wind is picking up, right? In itself, at times for me, that's a confirmation, right? So be love. Allow the love to flow from within your hearts, from within your soul. Allow the purity of your true essence to come forth within the reality, to shine light into this world. The world so definitely needs it right now, where we're going through some huge transformations and structuring of the soul. This guy over here, so he's cooking something. Yeah. So, allow what needs to surface and express it in a balanced way. And let it flow. So, this is Jerome of Unified Energetics. Wholeness.